Hey guys, welcome to my new vlog. My name is Ashik and my ID name is ASFitBy. Do you know? Yes. So today is our very interesting and very short topic. Is volcanoes. I think you all are waiting for it. Volcanoes topic. Volcanoes means what? Not a lava mountain, not that. Volcanoes is where molten rock erupts from an opening on Earth's surface. Volcanoes develop. Most of them form near the edges of tectonic plates. Yes. Molten rock is called magma. Is formed in few places deep in Earth's crust or even in the mantle. If magma reaches the surface, it is called lava. Large volcanoes called stratovolcanoes are built by series of eruptions, with each one adding a layer of solidified lava ash on top of lava. I've taught you in my previous video what is that. Tectonic earth or tectonic plate. I've taught you that the ash clouds, that is called ash. So this ash on top, the last. Volcanoes are classed as active lava, dormant or extinct based on how often they erupt. An active volcano is one of the that known as erupted. Recent history is dormant. A volcano that is stopped erupting altogether. Instead, some small volcanoes erupt just one, while a large volcano can erupt thousands of times over lifetime. 75% world's active volcanoes are underwater. When we dig a deepest hole, there is core, Earth's core. Yes. So like this way, when we go deep side in the water, like ocean is the deepest water body. When we go inside on the bottom of the, you see where we are, there is very dark. And if we take a shovel in that and dig that, Earth's core. Wow. Means Earth's core is the middle part of our Earth. Yes. Lava flow. Some volcanic eruptions produce runny flows of lava instead of explosions with ash clouds. The lava travels steadily. The volcano usually moving at speed slightly slower than a running person. Look, this is the half volcano. Yes, this is the mud pool. This is the farmland. This is a crater lake, and this is the fissure. Yes, and look, this is the half volcano. In the middle of volcano, there is something like pipe, and when we see what come, lava flowing. But जो ग्रीन पार्ट है, ग्रीन पार्ट के जो नीचे रहता है उसे हम लोग मार कहते हैं, मार. यस. सो व्हाट इज कॉल्ड वोल्केनिक eruption? Magma works its way through solid rock and up towards Earth's surface. As it rises, gas bubbles in the magma grow, increasing its speed until it erupts to the surface. The violent expansion of these gas bubbles can shatter the magma, shooting out explosively as ash or bigger lumps called bombs. If there is not an explosion, the magma flows down the side of the volcano in a molten stream called a lava flow. This lava flow. So here our topic ends over here. So bye guys, take care, like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon and spread to everyone. So bye guys.